Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can change your system background color in Zangi Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Zangi Messenger app on your phone. If you don't have it, you can install it from the Play Store. Then what you need to do is click on the gear icon or the settings icon on the bottom right hand corner. After you do that, you can just go ahead and click on chats. You can find this functionality over here. You can see the theme. You can either change it to classic or dark mode. You can do it quite easily with the fingertip. So you can just go ahead and tap on classic or dark mode according to your wish, and you can change your background color. You can also find it in appearance. So you can find it in chats, and if you scroll all the way down, you can find appearance. Go ahead and tap on appearance, and you can see underneath the use system color. You can just go ahead and enable this as well. It will change according to the theme your system is in, and you can choose between classic and dark mode as well. So I hope this video about how you can change the system background color in Zangi Messenger app was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.